If you've lost access to your OneDrive account and no longer have access to the associated email, you can still attempt to recover your account by following these steps. Step 1. Visit the OneDrive sign-in page. Go to the OneDrive website and click on the sign-in button. Enter your account information to see if you can access your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. If you can't remember your password or don't have access to your email, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the recovery process. Step 3. Choose Recovery Options. You may be prompted to select a recovery option. Since you don't have access to your email, look for alternative options such as a phone number associated with your account or any security questions you may have set up. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may involve receiving a verification code via SMS or answering security questions. Make sure to enter the information accurately. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be allowed to reset your password. Choose a strong, new password and confirm it to regain access to your OneDrive account. If you still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Microsoft support for further assistance.